Today I would like to talk about the setting for Trident Alter Plus. Firstly, to activate the locks, you touch the screen, okay? So press 1#.
Please verify administrator.
Okay, key in the master code, default master code 1234556.
Verification successful. Press 1 for user management. Press 2 for system settings.
Okay, so press 1.
To add an administrator, please press 1.
Okay, press 1 to add admin.
Please enter a user number from 1 to 5 or
Okay.
press pound key to generate automatically.
Press pound.
001. Press 1 to add fingerprints. Press 2 to add tags. Press
So
3 to add
to
passwords.
add fingerprint, you press 1. To add password, to add card, you press 2. To add password, you press 3.
Please input a new password. Please input again.
Okay.
Operation successful. Please
Okay.
enter a user number from 1 to 5
Okay.
or press pound key to generate automatic. Press
So
1 to
to
add
go out,
administrators. Press 2
to
to
add
regular
normal user, you can
press
press
3
2.
to delete user. Please enter a user number from 6 to 300 or
Okay.
press pound key
Just
to
press
generate
pound key.
006. Press 1 to add fingerprints. Press
Okay.
2 to add tags.
Press
Please
1 to
place
add
your finger
fingerprint.
on the
This is the
sensor.
user fingerprint.
Please press again. Please press again. Please press again. Operation successful.
Okay. Once
Please
done,
enter a user
press
number.
this
Press
one.
1 to add admin. Press 1 for user man.
Okay, so it's done. So now I can able to use my fingerprint to unlock.
006.
Okay. To lock, I just press this. Just push the handle.
Locked.
Okay. So I will show how to connect the Wi-Fi, the door locks to the Wi-Fi. Firstly, you need to download the Tuya apps and get registered. Okay. You need to go to the App Store. Search for Tuya. Okay. Download and register the account. So you will go to this page. So you just click add device. Okay. So if you ask the location setting, please allow it. Okay. So go to the camera and lock and go to lock Wi-Fi. Okay, key in your Wi-Fi password. Okay, so at the door lock here, you press touch the screen, you press 2#.
Please verify administrator.
Okay, key in your master code. If you haven't changed your master code, it will be 123456.
Verification
Press
successful.
Okay, so wait until the 5 is blinking. Okay, go to the apps, confirm, and then easy mode. Okay, so wait to the door locks to be connected. Make sure your device is near to the router. Okay,
Config network successful.
so once successful, you click add.
Updating time.
Okay, so you can change the Wi-Fi name. Okay, click done.
Operation successful.
Okay. Okay, so wherever the person want to unlock the door locks, the person have to press 4#.
Requesting remote unlock.
Okay, so at the owner apps, it will pop out on notifications to inform on the guest. Okay, so you can see remote open requested, so you can press in. So it will ask you whether click open remotely. Okay, confirm.
Unlocked.
Okay, the door will unlock here.
0.
So just unlock from here. So this one is to unlock. And then another function is you can see the record by real time. Okay, and then you can create a temporary code. So if the guests want to visit your place, and then you can actually create a temporary code by setting the effective time and the failure time.